Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Today we will discuss about the difference between brain and mind, and there are two different words which have different meaning, and most probably we know them as a synonymous word because we use them synonymously. Sometimes we talk about mind, sometimes we talk about brain, and but there is a clear difference between the two. And what a brain actually is, we already know that it is an organ which exists inside our body. It is there is a physical location of brain, and the activities it does can be actually measured through some brain imaging techniques which are well known, like if you have heard about PET and MRI. These type of techniques are used, and if we want to if you want to differentiate between the two, you can say that brain is more tangible and visible, something that is visible. You can see it, you can touch it, and you know the location of this thing, particularly where does it exist and how, and you can also measure the activities that it does. So brain is physically present there, which you can actually see, and it is more like a hardware of our system. But if we talk about mind is more like the software. If we talk about, so software and hardware, there are both the things present in a computer also. What you see is the hardware, but you don't see, but actually the processes are going inside. That is the software. That is how our mind is working, like a software inside our brain. Whatever our brain is doing, and whatever activities which we actually see through the brain imaging techniques, those are those activities are being processed inside the mind, or through the mind, or we can say by the mind, which is actually intangible. And mind, we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we don't know where it exists. We cannot say with an evidence that mind exists only in the brain, or it is there somewhere in the skull. We don't know, we cannot measure it. There is no physical proof that mind is present, but we know that the activities which are going on in the brain, and the mental processes which we, like right now you are listening to something, now you are thinking about it, you are learning something, some information is being processed inside your brain. But where does this activity, all these things are actually going on? So these activities and everything which is the function of the brain, these are manifested in the mind. And mind is actually intangible, it cannot be seen, as we can see a brain but we cannot see the mind. And it cannot be measured, there is no physical location, there is no structure. But one thing is definite, that it keeps on evolving. Mind always evolves. The more we learn, the more we are exposed to new things, new information, our mind keeps on evolving. So mind and brain, definitely they coexist. We cannot deny the existence of anyone. They coexist, and they work together for the maybe for the processing of the information and all the mental processes which goes on in the brain. They work together for that. But what we see through our eyes is actually the brain, but what we cannot see and the processes which are manifested is the mind. So this is the difference between mind and brain. They are definitely different words, but we usually, and as a layman, we usually use them synonymously, which is actually not right to use like that, because as a psychology student, now you should be well aware of the functioning, what actually mind is doing, and what the brain actually does. So this is the difference between mind and brain. Thanks for watching.